Hey, Bob here, Simplex-IT, one of the latest How Do I videos specifically for our uh, bigger brains LMS system, BrainStation LMS, whatever users, specifically the team leaders. And this is how you assign courses or learning paths to your individual users. First of all, you log on to the BrainStationLMS.com site using your Microsoft Windows 365 credentials, and you should see up in the top right the team leader. And going into that, and if you're not assigned the team leader, you don't have the capacity to do this, check with your administrator. This really gets down to course assignment because that's what we're looking to do. And you'll notice we've got some options is first of all, assigning courses, and you can assign multiple courses to an individual. You can assign an individual course to multiple users, learners in this case, what they call them, or you can assign multiple people to a learning path. A learning path, we've got another How Do I video on creating learning path, is a collection of courses that you want to use more than once. This is particularly great for creating a learning path for like new employees, for all of management, so on and so forth. So everybody is working from the same basis. Anywho, so we're going to take, because we created a learning path in our earlier video, so we're going to assign learners to this particular path. So we created in our example a Teams learning path, which was a collection of courses, of 3 courses, I think, specifically about Microsoft Teams. So we're going to go ahead and just assign this because I don't want to mess with anybody's mind. We're just going to assign this to, let's say, this person here. And I can specify as many people and myself. So I'm going to give us a month for us to do it. So we'll just say by the end of May, and I'm going to send email notification, and then I'm going to sign it. It is that simple. Now, what that user will see when they log on is they will see in their learning path, they have 4 learning paths assigned to them, and it includes Teams. It's that simple. You can also track to see their progress. You can also use the same site to edit the learning path assignments. So I can decide, no, these people are not going to do this. So I have that kind of flexibility. Hope this helps.